Hello guys, this is Kartika from me and my Scratch channel. So today I'm going to show a magical mermaid on Scratch. How to do a magical mermaid. First, this is a normal mermaid. So when I click the flag, there's a sound appearing, and also we get the mermaid color is changing. See? So how to do this? I'll show you. So first we need to select a mermaid. Then we have to go for looks, and then you have to go for change color affected by 25. You have all these options. You have color, fishly, well, Lexlat, and more. So we have this change color effect. So when you click it, it always changes. So if I want to happen more than once, I'll go for repeat, and I keep repeat here. I'll go for control and put repeat, and then I'll go for events and put when this green flag is clicked. Then if I want to add a sound, I'll search magical spell here in the sounds block. So this magical block will delete this ocean one. Now I'm going to put this magical block one here. Now when I click the green flag, nice. This is how I made the one. See, very nice. Thank you.